Welcome to JH. Today, I will guide you through the process of removing a domain from Google Workspace. While this task is quite simple, it is important to follow every step precisely to ensure a successful outcome. Start by heading over to the Google Workspace homepage. If you don't have the bookmark, simply search for Google Workspace in your web browser and click the official site link. Once you arrive at the platform, sign in using a Google account that possesses administrative privileges. Selecting an admin account is vital, as only these users can modify domain configurations. If prompted, enter your password to verify your identity, which keeps your account secure. After that, click the Next button to access your Workspace dashboard. This dashboard is your central hub for managing all environment settings. Now, focus on the Account section. You can find this by opening the navigation menu in the admin console and clicking on the Account label. Once inside, locate and select the Domains option. This specific area handles all domain management tasks for your organization. From the resulting menu, choose Manage Domains to view your current list. Here, you can handle additions, updates, or removals. To proceed with the removal, look for the option to deactivate the domain and click it. This step is necessary to prepare the domain for final deletion. Be certain you are ready, as deactivating it will immediately stop its functionality within your workspace. To finish, click on Deactivate Test Domain Alias or the specific domain you are targeting. This final action removes the entry from your list and completes the task. Your domain is now inactive and no longer linked to your account. Always confirm that the domain is truly unnecessary before starting this process to avoid any service gaps. If this tutorial was useful, please like and subscribe for more tech guides. Thank you for watching.